Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a OXO omelet turning spatula, some very wet black sides that I added paint to recently, and I'm going to spread some more paint in a fun pattern and then swipe it into place with my spatula, and then after that I may use my palette knife. Chances are good actually. So I love doing this. I love just making up funky designs by pulling a spatula through. But the truth is, if I want to be able to use the palette knife, I'm going to need a better base than that. And I'm thinking that I'm going to try and add some other colors, including my purple flash. That was an Anita's white metallic. And this is a Venetian blue from Modern Masters. Basically, I could have left some of that white in the background, but that's not the point of this. I may be sorry I didn't. Okay, I'm done. That was cool. Alright, so what am I going to do now? I really like this, but I don't need to keep it, I guess. We could torch for a second and see if we get any more cells. Let's do that. And it really, there's going to be another time, I can tell you now, where I leave the white background. Oh yeah, cool. My paint is smoking. So I'm going to go ahead and use some gold. Oh boy, it's so hard. In the most random way possible, I guess. Now I've got little spatulas as well as the palette knife. And I can for sure use other colors. And I liked it better before I did that. Oh well. Maybe I'll like it better in the end too. Who knows? Since I'm obviously not done. I'd like to put some orange in there and blow it around. But what I think I'm really going to do... Oh, I like those little marks there. Is indulge in my new obsession, which is the hot orchid from Color Art. And I'm going to use my Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatulas instead of anything else. I really did like the beginning painting, but I'm thinking that I should have a little more faith in myself and I should look for my orange. And maybe even give it a little shake. Now I'm thinking I'm going to drip a few things, and if I like them, I'll leave them. But if I don't, I'll swipe them. I like that. That's making me happy. Cool. Got a little spot there. Use up my colors. What do I want? I like that white. I keep getting rid of all the white negative space that I see that I like. So that's pretty cool, honestly. And what else do I want? I want a little bit more of that blue. And because of the turquoise calling me right then, I'm going to have a little bit of that too. Yep. If I've got residuals, I'm going to use them. So not so much a palette knife swipe as a spatula swipe. And I've got really neat cells, and I have to make up my mind whether I'm done or not. And if I'm done, I ought to tell you guys that I do sell my artwork. Yeah, I just did that, and hopefully it's okay. Maybe I should just play sometime until I run out of time. It gives me the feeling of Birds of Paradise. I know it's not really anything like that, but I keep thinking maybe I should add some green, and I'm just not all the way there yet. I am going to try and listen to my muse for a second. Because what I've got I like so much. This is a great, if I wanted to I could put chain in here. I don't, but there is always another time. I think I'm going to tell you guys there's over 1,600 videos. There's over 1,700 videos on my all playlist, creative playlist if you check on my YouTube channel. You can also find tomorrow's video on the community board. My store for Teespring clothing, which is also linked and shares with you underneath the video. All over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. Please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I would love for you to watch the videos longer to help me out. If you want to, that would be great. If you watch when the notifications come out, that's a big assistance to me also. If I have little white flecks of canvas in the background, I don't give a darn because I like what I've got and I'm not unhappy that I did what I did. I could have stopped for sure and been very happy with that. I do sell my artwork. My email address is below the link tree. Also, I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. The Linktree holds Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes and more for people who want to go shopping. I have over 1,400 items on Fine Art America. Oh, that's cool. Okay, well, I like what the skewer does, but I don't know if I need to do a lot of it or not. I've always liked dragging down to canvas. I'm not going to do it. I like what I have. Thank you guys for contributing to help keep me painting all this time, and should you happen to be interested in continuing that tradition of helping me continue to make videos, look on the end screen for the exhibition video that includes the monthly prizes. And if you make a donation through PayPal or Patreon, if I can figure out that you did that on Patreon, always on PayPal, if you can manage it, you'll see the canvases that I've included as prizes. I'm going to throw my spatula in the bucket and look at my list and see if there's anything else I should tell you guys. I have 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and they are on the Amazon link under the link tree, and if you shop the Amazon link, you help me out. Eventually, I can buy more art supplies there, and I really appreciate that. The books are in softcover and ebook, and the ebooks have links to all the videos, at least the way they were when I put them in the book. What else? My pouring recipe is underneath the video, and should you guys have questions, feel free to ask them, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to use the hashtag in the title of any YouTube video artwork that you might be interested in purchasing. This is fabulous. I'm going to zoom in for you, because it doesn't get better for me than this one. No matter how much work I put in, I'm not going to be happier with anything than this one right now. It's just too exciting for my heart. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, I'll see you anon. Check out some more videos on my playlist. It helps me out and it helps you out too sometimes. Thank you for all the appreciation and the wonderful comments you leave me all the time. I love you guys dearly. Bye for now. Priscilla out.